Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to my friends and our lecturer, Madam Izzati. Today I'm Farhan Hakim.
Hi, Hakim bin Muhammad Nazar.
We are from Group AI for EP2. So I am Hakim, want to make video for EP2. Before that, I want to introduce about little bit about myself. My name is Farhan Hakim bin Muhammad and I am 21 years old, and my metric number is 246135. My course is Management of Technology. How about you, okay?
Okay, my full name is Hakim bin Muhammad Nazar. My metric numbers 245872, and from semester 2, my course is Management of Technology, and I from Yan Kedah.
Alright, Hakim. As you know, we have to do a video for EP2.
Yes.
So can I know what the theme of the video should we do?
Okay, the theme of video EP2, we will do the theme about the nature, and the title is about the discovery and we will do video about the nature in
Alright guys. Before that, I and Hakim want to introduce a little bit about the discovery in UUM. As you know, UUM have many interesting places such as
Deer Farm,
yes,
Hayden Lake, Sendabi Lake, and Pokok Tiga Beradik, and
much more. Yes. Alright. Now I want to show to all of you what the UUM have, what they have in the UUM, and hope you are enjoy to see our video, our simple video, and hope you guys enjoy it.
Insan Tuhan membara langit biru mencari ilmu, berteman kebudimanan, bina nusa bina dunia sejahtera. Uni utama ibu yang tercinta, kami doa lanjut usia bahagia. Kami janji hormati pesanmu, ilmu budi dan bakti. Alam insan Tuhan membara langit biru mencari ilmu, berteman kebudimanan, bina nusa bina dunia sejahtera. Uni utama ibu yang tercinta, kami doa lanjut usia bahagia. Kami janji hormati pesanmu, ilmu budi dan bakti, ilmu budi dan bakti.
Alright, now I and Hakim want to go Pokok Tiga Beradik. Hakim, can you show me the road to go there?
Okay, now we will show the road how to go to Pokok Tiga Beradik. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Alright, now I want to show to all of you signboard for information about the pokok tiga beradik.
Okay, now let's see the pokok tiga beradik. That is 1, 2 and 3 of pokok tiga beradik. Okay, let's go. You can see that this tree is so vicious, and I don't know how the earth of the tree. Farhan, what do you know about the pokok tiga beradik?
For me, the scientific name of this tree is Tetrameles nudiflora, and the distribution of this tree is in China, India, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and so on.
Oh, like that. Okay. Okay, now I am Farhan at Hayden Lake at UM. This place is the famous place at UM because this place has a beautiful nature, and you can see that. How about you, Farhan?
About me, this Sintok Lake is very have a nice view, have a natural nature and many things. So every weekend, student come here to have enjoy play with friend and swim together, and that's it for me.
And this place can give lost all your stress.
Yes.
I am found at one of the famous place at UM in Deer Farm. You can see this deer, and Farhan, what about your thing about the deer farm?
Yeah, this is a very best place because we can feed the deer and we can touch the deer and much more. So every evening, many students come here, watch this deer and play with this deer and much more.
Okay, next destination is Tasik of Sandabi, and you can see that this lake you can do many activity like fishing and anymore. Fun.
Alright, for me, this lake is very beautiful because it has many activities such as we can boat, we can fishing, and over there we can do a barbecue, camping, and much more. And every evening, this place, many students come to swimming. Yes.
The Sandabi lake is the one lake of at UM. At UM, I think has 3 lakes.
It has a Hidden Lake, Sandabi Lake,
And Mas Lake. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The next destination is the bamboo tree. You can see how many the bamboo tree at here. This one is the famous place at UM, and this place like at Chinese.
Yes.
How about you?
As we know, this place many people come to take a photo for wedding and for the graduation and much more. As we know, this place, every weekend this place, staff come to this place to make this place beauty, to maintain this place natural beauty and clean up this place. Alright guys, so how our video? Is it simple, right?
Yes, that
Yeah.
a simple video.
So before I and Hakim finish this video, we want to sing a little bit about song of UUM.
Biru warna.
Please hear it. 3, 4.
Kami anak alam insan Tuhan, ngembara langit biru mencari ilmu, berteman kebudimanan.
Alright, that's it.
Then,
Okay, done over. Alright. So I and Hakim hope you guys enjoy our video and make you happy every day. Thank you.
Okay,
And
that was-
Assalamualaikum
see you again.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
see you again.
What does the fuck say? What the fuck say? What the fuck say?
I want to thank all of you. Sign up for information about the pokok tiga
What
badu.
the fuck say?
Okay, this is
Say.
this is one tak boleh ambil lain.
Tiny paws up the hill. Suddenly you're standing still.